Welcome to Hollywood, the tinsel mecca.
Let's go to the soda fountain, Disney Studio Store at the Ghirardelli Soda Fountain and Chocolate Shop, next to El Capitan Theater. We are starting at the corner of Hollywood Boulevard and La Brea, the beginning of the Walk of Fame. At the Muses statue, at the corner of Hollywood and La Brea, will be your landmark. This is Mae West, born in 1893 and passed in 1980. Next is our girl, Marilyn Monroe, born in 1926 and passed in 1962. Next we have the amazing Anna May Wong, born in 1905 and passed in 1961. And lastly, we've got the amazing Dolores Del Rio, born in 1904 and passed in 1983. These statues were dedicated in 1993. We're going to walk through the statues, head right to the intersection of Hollywood Boulevard and La Brea, going north to south, and we're going to make a left onto Hollywood Boulevard and the beginning of the Hollywood Walk of Fame. This is the south side of Hollywood Boulevard. You're going to pass Live Nation and Buffalo Wild Wings in the same building. That's a landmark so you know which way you're going. Arriving at Sycamore Avenue, just cross the intersection, keep going, you're headed in the right direction. Remember to look down. This might be a quick walk, but you're going to take a lot of pictures and see a lot of stars of stage and screen below your feet. Across the street is Target and LA Fitness. Coming up is someone who was so beloved by Hollywood, Johnny Grant. He was our honorary mayor. Thank you for your service. This is 25 Degrees, the best burgers on the boulevard, inside the Roosevelt Hotel. There's plenty of seating and a full bar, and the staff there are wonderful. Very, very nice people. back out onto the boulevard and into the main entrance of the Roosevelt Hotel, which was built in 1926 and in 1929 hosted the very first Oscars. This is a historic hotel on the National Register of Historic Places. Seating is open in the lobby to anyone, where you can grab a drink and enjoy the view. Fun fact, Sophia Loren got the 2,000th star on the boulevard. Across the street at the intersection is Madame Tussauds Wax Museum and Sid Grauman's Chinese Theater. That's where the hand and footprints are. The boulevard was a lot different in 1908 when we had the Hollywood Hotel. What we have now is Hollywood and Highland Shopping Center. I wonder when they're going to open this time capsule. Who knows? Right now, this beautiful Christmas tree is up at the opening of the shopping center. Look for all of the Oscar winners of every Academy Awards ceremony. Here are the red carpet stairs. And the Dolby Theater, where that little golden statue is handed out every year. After you win an Oscar, go eat at the Hard Rock Cafe. This was the Hollywood Masonic Temple in 1932, and now it hosts someone we love, who is very funny, Jimmy Kimmel. We're getting closer. Oh, look, it's the El Capitan Theater, completely restored by Disney. It was originally built in 1926. Just a few more steps. We made it. Remember to look down and see some of our great Disney pals. Donald Duck, Winnie the Pooh, Tinkerbell, and the Disneyland Star. Besides having candy and ice cream in the Ghirardelli shop, there's plenty of Disney merchandise, some of it original to the Disneyland parks, and some of it just made for the Disneyland store in the Ghirardelli shop on Hollywood Boulevard. Take a look around. Right now it's Christmas in Hollywood, so there's some lovely holiday merchandise you can purchase and get an ice cream sundae. On the right-hand side, by the circular candy bar, you'll see a great big nook of Disney toys. In the store, remember to grab a gift, unwrapped, unused, for Toys for Tots. It's early in the morning right now when this video was shot, but normally every seat during lunchtime and in the evening, these seats are filled. And at the back of the store is the pin wall. Remember to grab a t-shirt and some brownie mix to take home. I hope you enjoyed this trip down Hollywood Boulevard with some Hollywood history. And thank you so much for watching. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays to all of you. Remember to click like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you soon, driving through Hollywood.